A correctional officer at the Metropolitan Transition Center, or MTC, has also tested positive for coronavirus. WJZ is live outside the facility in East Baltimore. Rachel Menentoff explains what the facility is doing to prevent the spread and some of the questions they have yet to answer. Rachel.
Hi, Rick. Good evening. This entire building is now under a mandatory quarantine, and the union, which represents the correctional officers, says their job is dangerous as is, and it's now compounded by the threat of COVID-19. A correctional officer here at MTC is one of thousands of Marylanders to contract COVID-19. According to the American Federation of State, County, and Municipal Employees, or AFSCME, the information was not immediately shared throughout the institution. The union believes the person who tested positive has been off the job for a week, and that 7 other staff members who had contact with the person have now been told to stay home.
It is impossible to practice social distancing in the institutions. That's why we are so concerned about the people working in there and the people they oversee.
This week, WJZ spoke to a correctional officer in the Jessup area who says protective gear is hard to come by in many correctional centers.
My fear is that it's already spread through the prison, and it's just going to continue to spread like wildfire, and then it's going to be a disaster. And I'm terrified.
MTC has not responded to WJZ's questions regarding how many inmates are currently serving time and how many may have had contact with the officer who tested positive. Patrick Moran with the union says now more than ever, his members need personal protective gear.
They need hand sanitizer, they need masks, gloves, all of those things that are going to give them some measure of protection throughout the day.
MTC has told us that it will provide more information about the positive COVID-19 case tomorrow morning. And in addition to the mandatory quarantine, we're also waiting to learn about the specific precautions the center is taking to ensure staff and inmate safety. We're live in East Baltimore tonight. I'm Rachel Menentoff for WJZ.